Hello everyone. Today we start a new series on angles and triangles. It's going to be quite a lot of drawing lines, so I'm going to use the ruler, but I can't guarantee amazing artwork. This video is about the different types of angles and different types of triangles. So the types of angles will go from smallest to largest. So an angle, you have the vertex and you have what these are called the two rays. And that's what we normally do for the angle, that little curve there. So this angle is quite small, it's also quite sharp, which is where the name acute comes from. So this is an acute angle. One way of remembering it is to say that it's small and cute, so it's a acute angle. The definition is that it's less than, hopefully you will know that symbol means less than, so less than 90 degrees. So the small acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Next angle we're going to look at is the right angle. So the symbol for this is this square. So when you see that symbol, you know it's a right angle, and it's basically named a right angle because it's upright. And that is, actually I'll put it down here to be consistent, 90 degrees. So your right angle is 90 degrees. The next angle we have, actually a straight line. So in one sense, it's not an angle if we're saying that an angle has two rays and a vertex, but it's got 180 degrees, so in a way it's still an angle. So 180 degrees, that one is your, right, we haven't written the names here, so that's the right angle. I'm not going to put angle after each one. So you've got acute angle, right angle, we've got straight line, some people call it a straight angle. So straight line, straight angle. So as I said, in the sense, it's not really an angle. So it's a straight line, but you could call it a straight angle. Then the next one we have is the obtuse angle. So there's your angle. This one is obtuse. An obtuse angle is, it's greater than 180 degrees. It's not. I'm lying. I knew there was a reason I did them in a certain order. As you can see. I don't know why I just rubbed the whole thing out, but there you go. So, right, here's 90 degrees. So we're coming round, so we're going more than 90 degrees. So that's our obtuse angle. It's greater than 90 degrees. But it's less than 180 degrees. So we have the acute, we have the right, we have the obtuse angle, we have the straight line, and as I was saying, there is an angle that's greater than 180 degrees. So where we throw even more pens on the ground. So that is a reflex angle, and that is greater than 180 degrees. I suppose you could say it's less than 360 as well. Okay, so we start from the smallest, the small acute angle. We got the right angle, which is 90 degrees. Between the right angle and the straight line, we've got the obtuse angle, greater than 90, less than 180. If it's more, if it's a reflex bent back angle, that is greater than 180 degrees. Okay, so those are the angles. Try and remember those because we might be testing you on some of those. So we're going to have to rub those out so that we can look at the triangles. So the triangles, it's basically 3 types of triangle, and then there's a sort of subcategory within them as well. So let's do the 3 types first. I always find this one almost the hardest one to draw, especially when you don't have a straight line. I'm going to redo that one. So this is the any old, this is basically the one that's sort of any old triangle, theoretically. For some reason, my drawing talent has left me. Yeah, no, don't say it. It never existed. That's not very nice. So if we come across here, right, that looks suspiciously like, okay, well this one, okay, we're going to call that, that's pretty much a right angle. So this is going to have, this angle here is going to have sort of 2 subcategories. That is definitely not going to be a right angle. It's a little bit dodgy at the end there. Okay, so these 2 are both scalene triangles. So a scalene triangle could have a right angle. So they're both scalene. This one is also right angled. So we have the scalene triangle, which could be right angled or could be not right angled. Then we have the isosceles. So let's put one here. May not, right, let's do the other isosceles first. Right, let's do this one first. So we have it'll be slightly approximate. Right, you can see this triangle has a right angle in it. So that is a right angled triangle. These 2, they should be the same length. Okay. So we do another one, which is going to be clearly not a right angled triangle. Now if you put a line on each one, or you could just put a picture of a fish on each one, whatever you do, 2 lines, 3 lines, it shows that these 2 lines are equal. The 2 angles, which kind of, you can call that the base, and these are the 2 equal sides, they're also equal. So the isosceles triangle, so they're both isosceles, one of them's right angled and one of them's not. These actually 45 degrees, we'll come on to that in another video, but both of these will be 45 degrees because, so isosceles triangle has, this is where we pick up the red pen, it has two equal sides and two equal angles. Right, isosceles triangle, two equal sides, two equal angles, and then the other one we're going to do, going to come a cropper here, I'm sure. Right, you have to believe me on this one. This one, a bit small I know, is the equally, meaning equal, lateral, meaning sides. So it's an equilateral triangle and it has three equal sides and it has three equal angles. So our three types of triangle are a scalene triangle, and this has three unequal sides, so the sides, none of the sides are the same length. Isosceles with two equal sides, two equal angles. Equilateral with three equal sides and three equal angles. Okay, so the test is going to be slightly different today. Still going to have, still going to have 4 questions, but it's not going to be so numerical as usual. Okay, so get your pens and paper ready for the test. So, question 1. Angles and triangles. Right, so question 1. An angle less than 90 degrees is called, so what's that called? And then question 2, an angle greater than 180 degrees is called, okay, so less than 90 or greater than 180. Number 3, a triangle with 3 equal sides is called what? And number 4, a right angled triangle can be a scalene triangle. Is that true or false? So if you had a right angled triangle, could it be scalene or not? Okay, so I'm going to go through those answers in just a few seconds. Okay, an angle less than 90 degrees, small and cute, so it's known as an acute angle. An angle greater than 180 degrees is called a reflex angle. An angle with 3 equal sides is called a triangle, sorry, not an angle. A triangle with 3 equal sides is called an meaning equal, lateral triangle. And lastly, a right angled triangle can be a scalene triangle. Yes, it can. could also be an isosceles triangle. Okay, well done if you got all of those right. Thank you for watching that video, and if you enjoyed that, please check out our website for more great online resources. So the address is www.routes2success11plus.uk, or find us on Twitter @routes2success. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos. Thank you.